Have you ever tried to remove studs or pins from machinery after time and heat have cemented them into place in their housings? If you have, you know how many hours and how much effort removing stubborn studs can take. Until recently, conventional methods for removing studs have included using pipe wrenches and cheater bars, and lots of time and sweat. In short, the old ways of removing studs are time-consuming, costly, frustrating, and often unsuccessful. Based on a simple mechanical principle, the stud remover transmits up to 80,000 foot-pounds of torque to cylindrical studs without any side loading or mechanical binding. This power lets you remove studs required by the old conventional methods. For example, at Atlas Processing, a chemical plant in Shreveport, Louisiana, we use the stud remover to extract 84 4-inch heat exchanger studs in 4 hours. At the Arco refinery in Channelview, Texas, we pulled 265-inch-and-a-half studs in 3 hours. And at the Navajo Generating Station in Arizona, we pulled 14 5-inch boiler feed pump studs in just an hour and 15 minutes. In every case, there was no damage to the housings, and the studs were completely reusable. And these are just a few of the examples of our tool's impressive record of successes in plants and factories around the world. Not all studs can be removed. Some are so mechanically bound in place that the only alternative is to cut and drill them out. The stud remover not only saves you time and money by quickly pulling studs that can be extracted, it's invaluable for rapidly identifying those that simply can't be removed. Rather than letting your team spend hours or days struggling to extract gall studs, you can get them working quickly on cutting and drilling procedures. How does the amazing stud remover tool work? Well, it's really quite simple. Our patented design uses a simple multiple jaw clutch principle that requires only 3 moving parts. 2 gripper jaws, housed in a retaining cage, are free to move inside the tool body, which has a cam milled into the lower end. The tool is powered by a standard pneumatic impact wrench. When the wrench rotates the tool body, the gripper jaws slide into the cam, which moves them inward to grip the stud with tremendous rotational force. Up to 80,000 foot-pounds of torque can be transmitted to the stud. Because the cage ensures the gripping force is applied evenly around the circumference of the stud, rotational torque is applied directly to the stud's center line. With the stud remover, there is no side loading or mechanical binding. Conventional removal methods often leave gouges that can cause stress risers and render studs unusable. In spite of its tremendous power, after the stud is removed, the operator merely has to reverse direction of the impact wrench to quickly release the stud from the tool. In seconds, he's ready to extract the next stud. The stud remover can be used with all types of studs and round fasteners. Manufacturers tools for standard stud sizes from 1/2 to 5 inches and custom sizes up to 9 inches or larger are also available. In addition to saving time and money, the removal tool can also improve your safety record. By reducing personnel exposure in hazardous and radiological areas, the stud remover's speed and efficiency directly promotes as low as reasonably achievable concepts. Utility companies, refineries, nuclear plants will all find this amazing tool invaluable for use on reactors, heat exchangers, pumps, valves, turbines, and on many other types of equipment. Isn't it time you take advantage of the speed and efficiency of the simple-to-use, dependable, and highly effective stud remover to reduce your stud removal time and costs and to minimize your plant's downtime?